Today I'm going to show you how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. So here at the bottom, you can see friends and then albums. Go ahead and click on the albums. Then here, you can select any stickers that you prefer. And then once you have selected your cards, you're going to have to click on it and send and trade to your friends. And the list of friends will show up. And then you can go ahead and send them to your specific friend to trade on the stickers. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer them all. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the notification bell, and thanks for watching.